A deadly haze is the cost consequence the UK capital suffers in its role as Britain's paramount political and financial centre. It's here, down at ground level, that people pay the price. A King's College study found more than 9,000 people in London die prematurely every year due to air pollution. According to Client Earth, an environmental lobby group, London's air often breaches international law.
Air pollution is impacting on our lives throughout our lifetime. So from when we're in the womb, it can cause premature births. As we're growing up, children are growing up with smaller lung capacity, which is going to affect their health into adulthood. And then as we're adults and older people, there's an increased risk of developing things like cancer and also the problems with respiratory and heart conditions.
According to figures from City Hall, toxic air at more than 400 schools across the capital exceeds legal limits. And the cause of what's described as London's air pollution crisis? In large part, drivers and their vehicles on the capital's congested roads. The boss of a local firm making protective masks says London traffic is never ending.
Well, of course, London's a medieval city with a 21st century traffic challenge, and they've done a lot of work in terms of having cycle schemes and congestion charges here. But as you can see today, even in the middle of the day, it's still very congested right here in the city centre.
London Mayor Sadiq Khan is to impose a $15 penalty on polluting vehicles, what they're calling a toxicity charge. It'll raise an estimated $3 million a month, but even Sadiq Khan admits it won't be enough. He's calling for new clean air laws. In one respect, London is a victim of its own commercial and economic success. The challenge facing the government is for how long it'll put the economy before the health and lives of Londoners. Richard Bestick, CGTN, London.